What's up guys? So today I want to do a quick video on how to maintain your Eufy robot vacuum. So this is it right here. I found the whole kit. You have everything, every brush, tire tracks, filters, everything in this package. So okay, we're going to start off flipping it over. So you do have two brush heads. You have one here too. You have your tire tracks, which I won't be replacing today because mine are pretty good. And also, while you're at it, you have 3 drop sensors. So you will wipe that. I have a little damp rag right here. So you clean those. And these are your charging ports. So we're gonna clean those up real quick. So let's get started. Your filters and everything else is inside here. So to do your 2 brushes, let's grab the new ones. You can see the 2 brushes right here. We'll get them open. Pretty good. These you grab, you pull up. You pull up. And you just line up the squares. That one's in. And that one is in. So that's that part. So now we're gonna go into the bigger brush. Have the little 2 tabs. Bring them up. That comes out. You can see that is really filthy. Okay, so I'm gonna replace that. Okay, take it out of here. So you can see they are the same. Okay, so this you line up. Just like that. Make sure. Okay. Grab your cover, slide it in, close it. So that is your other brush compared to the old one. This is approximately, I got it in November. Right now we're in March. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my damp rag and the drop sensors. You have one here. Grab it. Clean it up. You have one here, which it looks like those right there. You got 3 of those. Okay, same thing, damp rag. And the last one is over here. Okay, so that's done. So now we're gonna get the dust where it holds it at and change the filters. You flip it, you can see here is where your filters go. Pop it open. See filters right there. Got a little tab. Pull it up. And it also comes with this right here. So you can see that it is pretty filthy. Okay. Over here. Grab a filter. And grab one of these. You know it's gonna work very good now, so you can see side by side. Look at that. The old one, the new one, new one, the old one. It was time to change. Okay, so we'll open it up again. Blow that out. I'm gonna do it with the vacuum. It's like a little make sure you clean that up. I will do it with my other vacuum, suck it up, but otherwise it's not too bad. So grab one of these, put it in, grab your filter, goes on top, close it. That's your filter in. Grab your vacuum, get it in. And now just to finish it, okay, in the front. Side. There you go. Everything's good now. Everything's ready to go. Maybe approximately 3 months later, I will do it all over again. You can see that the blades, they do get caught up a lot of here. It was worse before, so they go all tangled, all messed up. So it's time to change. Okay, so that's how you change filters, brush heads, and everything. Clean your drop sensors, and you're good to go. Awesome vacuum, recommend it.